Good morning. It's Gina Wendell here for another edition of Fill You In Friday. I want to give a quick thank you to Commissioner Key for filling in for me last week while I was traveling. That's one of the beauties of working at the Department of Ed is that we here are a team, and not just here at the Department of Ed. Our team is your team, and your team is our team. And we are one team working together to lead the nation in student-focused education. I am in Mr. Kaminar's office here at the Department of Ed. There's Mr. Kaminar working diligently away. We came here because April is a month of the military child, and on Wednesday, you may have seen some pictures on social media, our entire agency was encouraged to wear purple to celebrate these children. And Mr. Kaminar has been just key in facilitating that process. He is also working, even as we speak, on ways that we can recognize Purple Star schools who go above and beyond to help support these military children. So we are very appreciative of that. Also, exciting news this week, the second round of professional learning community schools were announced, and all of that is linked in the comments. Congratulations to all those schools who submitted the applications, sat through the interviews, and really explained to us why you needed this project in your school and what that was going to mean for your kids in your school community. So congratulations. I do want to fill you in on some things that are coming up. The week of May 7th through the 12th is Teacher Appreciation Week, and we here at the department are excited. Teachers are literally the heart of a child's life as they're growing up, and they impact them in so many ways. And we know sometimes that they may feel underappreciated, but we want to partner with you all in celebrating teachers. We know how vital that they are. We're going to be making some school visits. We're going to be doing some special things here around the department to celebrate and appreciate teachers. And we encourage you to do the same. And don't forget about those secondary teachers. Sometimes there's a lot of momentum in the early grades, and your secondary folks, I was one, so I can say this, sometimes tend to be maybe a little overlooked along the way. So send an email, send a text, let them know that you appreciate the things that they do and the time and the heart that they invest in the kids in your school community. I also want to mention that the Educator Effectiveness Division is kicking off a Teach Arkansas lecture series this summer. We are partnering with AEA, ASTA, and AAEA to host this. It's going to begin June the 4th right here in Little Rock. Sydney Chaffee is going to, the 2017 National Teacher of the Year is going to be in Little Rock, delivering a lecture to us on culturally responsive teaching, and we're so excited about that. These are going to be held all over the state. We are partnering with communities, we're partnering with local universities and community colleges to bring the information that we have and that we know to you out there. And before I wrap it up, I want to give a special shout out to all the students who were selected to participate in Scholastic Honors Day this Saturday with the governor. This was a really concerted effort between our office, the governor's office, and school counselors to make sure that these students were recognized. They have worked very hard academically to get to where they are, and we're excited to celebrate with them all on Saturday. It's supposed to be a phenomenal weekend, 80 degrees, I think. So get out, get some vitamin D, relax, rejuvenate, enjoy. Thanks for watching. Happy Friday.